Today we're at the Green Swamp East Wilderness Preserve in Polk County, utilizing new artificial intelligent drone technology to help us identify invasive plant species on district conservation lands, such as old world climbing fern and kogan grass. For this pilot project, the consultant's flying a drone at approximately 100 feet above 100 acres using a multispectral camera, which means we can capture light waves that the eye cannot see, such as infrared and ultraviolet. This is a patch of old world climbing fern. Invasive plants can impact the native plant communities within the preserve, damaging wildlife habitat and in some cases, even increasing the risk of a wildfire. To locate these invasive plants, staff currently must scout the properties on UTVs or on foot, which is time-consuming and poses certain risks such as encountering wildlife. The collected images are processed through an artificial intelligence program that can learn and interpret the light signatures of different plant species. Here you can see the images that we received from the consultant. As we zoom in, you can see clusters of red dots on the screen. Those are points of invasive plants, such as old world climbing fern or kogan grass. With these dots, we now have a GPS coordinate that our staff can go to the field, find these locations, and treat these invasive infestations. Part of this pilot program is ensuring that the technology is correct. We go out into the field, we verify that the points that are provided by the consultant are actual invasive plant locations. This is a typical patch of kogan grass. This data is then used as part of the machine learning to increase the accuracy of the product that's provided to us. This type of technology would reduce staff time in having to search for the plants and allowing staff to have more time to treat them. Utilizing new and innovative technologies is one way the district is moving forward to protect our conservation lands and natural systems from these invasive species.